How does Diesel Power Source create products that outperform our competitors? Here at Diesel Power Source, we use CFD, or Computational Fluid Dynamic technologies. During our design phase, we use computer models that run advanced fluid dynamic tests on all our products. These tests show hot spots, cold spots, and the turbulent areas inside our products. For example, we can tell you how much exhaust pressure is exerted on a turbine in a turbocharger and the torque that it will output. Or CFD lets us see how our manifolds actually flow, and we can directly compare them to our competitors and OEM designs. So we can predict performance before anything is built. This method is unique because it's something traditionally only OEMs, aerospace companies, and major automotive designers have used. We use it too because it gives us a major edge. It allows us to know how a part will flow early in the design phase. Every one of our products goes through this same rigorous engineering and testing process to make sure it's ahead of the competition. We're industry leaders in using this level of technology. So what does this mean for you? It means when you buy one of our turbos, manifolds, compound kits, nothing on the market will outflow it, outperform it, and beat it for the price.